Okay, let's practice the welded sound. Ang, A-N-G, fang, ang. Here we go. Let's start with the word fang. So we're going to tap it. Ang, fang. What's the first sound? That's right. What letter? F. Let's write it. Next sound, ang. How do we spell it? A-N-G. Let's read it slowly. Ang. Read it fast. Fang. All right, let's change one sound in fang and make it ring. Tap it. Ang. What's the first sound? That's right, R. Change the F to R, which is R. Ang. How do we spell it? A-N-G. Let's read it slowly. Ang. Read it fast. Ring. Now we're going to change ring to hang. Ang. Hang. What's the first sound? Where's the change? Hang. That's right, the beginning. Change the R to what letter? H. Ang. Spell it. A-N-G. Let's read it. Ang. Read it fast. Hang. All right, keep going. Let's change hang to sang. Sang. Where's the change? Sang. Yes, beginning again. Change the to s. What letter? S. Sang. How do you spell it? A-N-G. Read it slowly. Sang. Read it fast. Sang. All right, let's keep going. Change sang to spring. Really stretch it out. Pretend you have your rubber band. Stretch it. Spring. Spring. Let's tap it. Spring. And then we have ang. Spring. So s. That's right. That stays the same. S. What's next? S. P. 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 What letter says P? P. S. P. R. What letter? R. R. And then ang. A-N-G. Let's read it slowly. S. P. R. We have a blend. Spur. And then our sticky sound. Ang. Read it fast. Spring. All right, here we go. Challenge word. Our last word is Mustang. So we can hear there are two syllables. Mustang. The first syllable, mus, and the last syllable, stang. Mustang. Mustang. What's the first syllable? Mus. We're going to write it M-A-S. Mus. So here we go. M-A. What vowel? That's right, U. M-A-S. S. There we go. M-us. Mus. First syllable. Mus. Remember the second syllable was tang. Tang. So we're going to tap it. T. Ang. Tang. First sound. T. That's right. T. Ang. Our sticky sound. Our welded sound. A-N-G. So there's our second syllable. We're going to split it like this. Read the first one. M-A-S. Mus. Cover up. Look at the second syllable. T-ang. Put it together. Tang. Put the whole word together. Mustang. Mustang. All right. Good work.